What's up everyone? It's finally here. Samsung has just started rolling out the massive One UI 8 watch update based on Wear OS 6 to the Galaxy Watch 7. I've been testing it out and this is not just a small patch. We're talking brand new ways to control your watch, a huge upgrade to health tracking, and some really smart productivity features. In this video, I'm breaking down every single new feature from the now bar and the new double pin gesture to a seriously upgraded running coach. I'm using the official release notes and my own testing to show you everything you need to know. Let's get into it. First up, let's talk productivity. The biggest change you'll notice right on your watch face is the new now bar. This is a subtle bar at the bottom of the screen that shows your ongoing tasks. So, if you have a timer running, music playing, or a workout in progress, you get quick info and controls right there. No more swiping to find the app. It's one of those, how did I live without these features? Now, but the coolest new feature has to be the double pinch. You just pinch your thumb and your index finger twice, like this, to control your watch. And it's not just one trick, it's customizable. You can use it to scroll notifications, control music, take pictures, or even answer a call. In the settings, you can even change what it does on the watch face in the music controller or for alarms and reminders. It's basically magic. A few other quick hits in this category. You can now mark reminders as important with a star, pinning them to the top of your list. And when you're charging, you get a sleek new animation that makes it much easier to see the battery level and your time until it's full. Notifications also got a total redesign. Instead of every single message taking up the whole screen, notifications from the same app are now stacked vertically. There is also a new smart notification setting. You can choose smart device selection, which is the new default. This means that notifications only show on your watch when you're not using your phone. If you're on your phone, they will just show there. It's meant to reduce duplicate alerts, but you can still set it to always show on both if that's what you prefer. Okay, this is my favorite part of the update. Samsung Health got some powerful new tools. For all you runners, there's a new running coach. This isn't just a simple tracker, it's a personalized training program. When you first start, it has you do a 12-minute running test to analyze your ability, looking at your heart rate, VO2 max, and pace. From there, it assigns you a level and builds a custom training plan to help you improve, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned runner, all while helping to minimize injury. But that's not all. There's a new bedtime guidance feature that analyzes your sleep data to recommend the best time for you to go to sleep each night. And there's a new mindfulness feature to help you track your moods and practice breathing exercises for stress. You can now create custom tiles that combine information from different apps. So instead of one tile for weather and another for your calendar, you can make one tile that shows the weather, your next event, and your reminders. It's like building your own dashboard. Finding a new watch face is so easy. There is a new search feature where you can just type keywords like minimal, blue, or data heavy, and it will suggest faces from a collection of over 300. It also recommends new faces based on the one you are currently using. And the app screen is now personalized. It puts your featured apps, the ones you use the most, right at the top. You can also finally change the app screen to a list view with names instead of just icons, which I know a lot of people wanted. So, what's the verdict? One UI 8 watch is a massive step forward. The new UI feels incredibly smooth, and the new productivity and health features are genuinely useful. The now bar and customizable double pinch are game changers for day-to-day use. Now, it's not perfect. Some users online have reported a bit of extra battery drain or missed notifications after updating. If you're missing notifications, definitely check that new smart device selection setting and maybe switch it back to always show on both. But for me, the experience has been overwhelmingly positive. This update makes the Galaxy Watch 7 feel like a brand new device. But what do you think? What's your favorite new feature in One UI 8 watch? Are you most excited for the running coach or the new custom tiles? Let me know right down there in the comments. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech videos. Until next time, have a good one.